Hello, this is Quorum coming to the video Genshin Impact Europe. We're doing the Pika Vendikar. We're going for the ice, mostly just the ice artifact. Oh, jeez. So we're trying to get that in. And get our Ayaka some goodies. I don't think she is definitely not something I should have brought in here. She does not do good. I don't know if I'm doing good. Alright, here we go. Burn him. Get that guy some learning. Alright, we learned damn good. Yeah, that was horrible bad. But we'll see how we do. Hopefully we get something good here for our Ayaka. We're really looking for the sand still. I don't know. We'll see. Come on, babe. Oh, wow. Asking. Oh! Jeebers. Asking ye shall receive. And we did. Wow. And a energy recharge one. We want that instead. This. Wow. Should ask for the winning lotto tickets. Numbers. My luck, I'd be like, yeah, you won. The $2. No. I want to win the whole shebang. All 5 plus the, what's it called? The jackpot? I don't know. Alright, there we go. Got him. Alright, he did there. Oh, damn. Alright, got that. Blast him in the nodes. Alright, here we go. Are we staggering them at least with the lightning and the fire? Yeah, they're good. Got him. Alright, 1 minute. Not too bad. 103 seconds. Can we get anything else that's awesome? Can we get some crit crowns? What else will we get? Oh, gee. Oh. See? I got crit on that crown. Ooh, damn. Another nice piece. But as we go in here, we're gonna keep on trying. Keep reading all these manhwa about they love to have everyone reincarnate. That's the new big thing now. Something's happening. Like, oh, I was the former #1 assassin in the world, and then I reincarnated into the body of some loser kid or something. Get him dead. There we go. Let's see what we can do here. We got electric blast him. Oh, damn it. Okay. Because I was reading this one where, like, it's a manhwa, though. It's not a manga. But, he was, like, the #1 assassin. And then they hunt him down. He gets his head ripped off by this one evil chick. It was kind of cool. He wakes up in the body of some loser that was you know, the key deviation or whatever that happens in him, or chi deviation. I always want to say key because they spell it with a QI, but I guess it's chi sound. Chi chi. Chi 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 chi. Oh bye. Boing boing. Alright, we got it's not too bad. It's exciting so far. Now I gotta remember not to do that. Oh god. Oh. I hate that. Oh. Oh, I should have popped damn electric. So I got that stagger on him, but I didn't. I did not pop the stagger. Miko. Use condensed, sir. Alright. Yeah, we keep on trying to find water artifacts, and I'm also wanting to build up I love Ayaka, so. Oh, stop defensing me, bro. No. But yeah, there's I love the more fantasy style manga that are coming out, but they're all isekai. So everyone it's kind of interesting how they play it out, but there's so many variations, and then you're never sure, like, am I reading this one? And it's like, oh, it's got 300 issues. Like, I think I read this one. And it's like, yeah, you go through it, you read a couple issues, and then some of them are pretty bad. Like, the worst are the Chinese ones, though. You can't go into the Chinese ones. Those Chinese storytelling is completely different than what I'm used to. Their story structures, everything is just, well, to me, bad. Like the way they tell a story, they skip everything, they don't. It's very rare, I should say. It's not that they don't. It's just some of them have a hard time explaining their stories, and they skip a lot of stuff. And then you're also not sure, like, are they doing this because in their country, if they say they can't, that's all they can do because, you know, they're China. So if they say or do anything out of line, they're getting their doors kicked in and escorted out to the internment camp. Or for re-education, as they're trying to do here in America and the West. Trying to re-educate everybody. Oh, those are outdated ways of thinking. Please come into our facility so we can enlighten you with these electrodes. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got this. It's got good energy recharge, but I can do better. Anything you can do, I can do better. No, you can't. Just proved it on that fucking submarine. Oh, we're not gonna hire people of merit. Okay, what do I want to do here? Do I want to just dump this into it or this? Just in case. Just in case, I'll keep it nice and simple. Please don't do HP or defense. Give me like attack. Attack, please. Don't do elemental come on. Yes! This piece is deadly as hell. This is pure deeps. Come on, give me the crits. Don't you give me that attacker energy recharge. Just crits. Crits, crits, crits. God damn it. No! That's what this other piece has. It's like, has a 21% crit or energy recharge, man. I don't want that. Give me crit damage. There we go. It's already, oh god, 5.4 on both of them. I got fucking low rolled on both fucking damages. Sorry for swearing, but that's just how I feel. Alright, let's go to... I'm throwing you in there. You can go in there. You can go in there. Oh, this hurts. This hurts. I thought I was getting the good piece, dude. I thought I was getting the good piece, man. Nope. 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 Ugh. No love, all defense. All right. Attack percent, attack percent. This is goblets. It's a goblet. All right, crit. You son of a... You... Okay. I'm switching to this one. Just because it's got a little less energy recharge, but... it's got crit damage on it, I guess. I don't know. What's our defense? Jesus. Man. Alright. Well, thank you for watching. We'll be back after these messages. Hit that like and subscribe.